we bring you some of the most interesting psychology facts. It takes about 66 days for an average individual to make something a daily habit. Individuals who have a deep sense of guilt are better at identifying the emotions and concerns of the people around them. During the 7 minutes of neural activity you will have before dying, you will see your memories in a dreamline pattern. If you sob out of happiness, the first tear will come from the right eye, but if you cry out of sorrow, it will come from the left. Food prepared by someone else tastes much better than your own preparation, even when you use the same recipe. Hearing a single negative thing could damage at least 5 positive memories. Studies have shown that consuming food without preservatives will increase IQ by up to 14%. You seem to think more about a specific individual than about catastrophic event. People in blue rooms are also much more productive. The study showed that information could last longer in the mind of a person evaluated for it than if it were only examined without the need for instant recall. You are in an endless pursuit of human faces in inanimate objects. People are much more likely to return a missing wallet if a picture of a child is found inside. Smart people tend to have fewer mates than the average person. The smarter the individual, the more selective they become. People who speak two languages can unintentionally change their personalities when they switch to speak from one language to another.